What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to talk about AMC Entertainment Holdings. Once again, that's AMC Entertainment Holdings with the ticker symbol AMC. Guys, in this video, we're going to talk about the two things. Okay, first, Top Gun Maverick fires up Best Non-Marvel Tuesday in May, sequel to beat original's $180 million domestic box office today. Okay, so that's the first article that we're going to talk about. And of course, one more article from Investor Place. It says here, AMC stock can make you money but not over the long term. Guys, if you like the information and analysis I'll be providing in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get going.
Well, America needed a break this past weekend, and we got it. Tom Cruise delivered as Top Gun Maverick rocked the Memorial Day weekend, setting a new box office record. Close to 4 million guests saw the film in the United States, helping it bring up $156 million in business. Most folks, in fact, saw the movie on an AMC theater, and an additional 1.1 million guests saw the film on an AMC International Theater. Now, I saw it at AMC Theater as well, and I got to say, watching it from a business perspective, I think there's room for them to improve on food efficiency, register efficiency, some other things. And if done right, that could spur even greater audiences in the future. Now, I've never recommended the stock for my subscribers because there's certain areas that I want to see improvement, but I have bought the stock out of solidarity with the investing apes. I can see the shorts, though, have not given up. They went to work immediately today. We're going to trade at least 2 times the average daily volume. It's given up all of its gains, and McQuarrie's out saying they reiterate the underweight $6 target. Here's one thing, though, the shorts have been completely wrong about. America's love affair with the big screen. It is still there. When the movie is great and it's a family experience, people show up. I look forward to going to the movies again. In the meantime, the market also giving up its gains as well. We were down big on some of the lows of the session. We did not want to see that happen, but what we're seeing is a seesawing effect. The bottoming process isn't a one-day event. It's not a climactic event. What it is a process, and I think we're in the middle of that process. I think we'll look back at the end of the year to now and say, okay, maybe that was an area I should have been buying. The next hour is going to be pretty crazy, so buckle up.
So guys, as you can see, taking a look at this article today from Yahoo Finance, it says here, Top Gun Maverick fires up Best Non-Marvel Tuesday in May, sequel to the beat original's $180 million domestic box office. Okay, so guys, as you can see, in the wake of scoring the best Memorial Day opening of all time at the domestic box office with $160.5 million, Paramount Skydance's Top Gun Maverick didn't let up yesterday, grossing $15.8 million, while that's the best Tuesday in May stateside after Disney's Marvel Avengers Infinity War. The Avengers also in May 18 of 2022. It's easily the best Tuesday in May for non-Marvel movie. The comic book franchise continually dominating the month. Top Gun 2's Tuesday is also ahead of Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness that picked making $12.6 million in May 10. In regards to the previous biggest Tuesday in May for a non-Marvel movie that belonged to Disney's Aladdin with $12 million in May 28, 2019. So guys, it says here, Top Gun 2's Tuesday was 53% off its Memorial Day Monday of $33.8 million. The running total for the Joseph Kosinski-directed Tom Cruise movie stands at $176.3 million through yesterday. So guys, with this specific article, it is saying that the movies aren't dead, like what was stated in the short report of some hedge funds. So basically, if you want to load up an AMC, though it's a meme stock, right? If you go back to this article from Yahoo Finance, guys, this article from this is from May 25th of 2022. It says here, the 7 meme stocks to buy now, and one of them being said is AMC Entertainment. Strong movie slate could turn things around and help significantly deleverage the business. If you scroll down here, guys, for the AMC stock caught on Reddit trading crowd, pushing its price to $62.65 in June last year. However, since then, the stock has shed over 70% of its value despite improvements in its business performance. The pandemic shut down theaters across the globe, which pulverized AMC, but recent blockbusters have saved the day for its business. So guys, I personally think that I am also an AMC investors, and I personally think that AMC or the movie theaters is not dead, and it's actually booming. As you can see, there's a lot of movies coming up. Okay, Thor: Love and Thunder, Jurassic World Dominion, Avatar: The Way of the Water. There's a lot of movies coming up, and of course, this would help AMC Entertainment to actually gain more revenue, more money for the company itself. I am actually saying this because I believe in the company first of all, right? I believe in AMC. I believe in the future growth of the company, right? So it's not that because I'm trying to be biased, right? I strongly believe that AMC is culture. AMC is the future, right? Those are the kind of stocks that I personally hold in my portfolio. So guys, also as you can see here, this in article is actually from today. AMC stock can make you money, but not over the long term. So it's a little bit bearish article, but it says here AMC stock can be a golden goose for competent traders. It moves fast enough to provide plenty of profit opportunities intraday. But today we are discussing its suitability for long-term investors looking to buy AMC stock now. Personally speaking, guys, if you take a look at it, AMC seems to be a fundamental play now. You would know that in the future, right? I strongly believe that AMC will start giving out dividends once again. I strongly believe that AMC will be trading at higher levels. Say, for example, $100 a share or $110 a share. I think that is my future. That will be my future goal for AMC, personally speaking. Because right now, this kind of market condition where everything is very bearish. As we speak, guys, AMC is actually trading at $13.02. If this is actually a non-profitable company, it should be trading now at $1, $2 a share, right? But right now it's still $13. So I think there's a lot of potential for this company with a lot of, because the fact that there's a lot of movies coming up, right? So each of these movies will actually give revenue for AMC. On top of that, they also have other side hustles like popcorn, right? Popcorn sales, right? Merchandise sales, all the good stuff. So I think because there's also article, there's a new video from there's another video from the investor mania that I will show you later on after this some video. But let's actually hear what Adam Aaron has to say regarding this.
So clearly some progress on the revenue side of things and attendance in the movie theaters, but you're still burning cash and not profitable yet. Why?
Well, let's talk about the progress first. There was something called COVID-19, you may recall, that shut all movie theaters 2 years ago and basically stopped the flow of movies to theaters from Hollywood studios. We've been marshaling a glide path to recovery ever since. And as you said, we just reported the best first quarter in 2 years. We saw progress, considerable progress in 2021. And then, just this weekend, we had the biggest movie of 2022 opening in Doctor Strange. When we look at the movies that are coming, including Top Gun Maverick just a couple of weeks from now, and Jurassic World Dominion right behind that, and what we think is going to be hit after hit after hit, we're actually quite optimistic that the box office is coming back, the theaters are coming back, and that's the news of AMC that we reported in the last 24 hours.
So I guess another way of asking is what level of attendance, Adam, do you need to see to not be burning cash?
Oh, I suppose if we get to a point where we're 10 or 15% down in attendance from pre-pandemic levels, we should be in pretty good shape. When you look at where we were in the fourth quarter of 2021, we got within 25% of pre-pandemic levels. And from an operating cash standpoint, we were break even in the fourth quarter. Yeah. But of course, we're not trying to get to operating cash break even. We want to be robustly profitable again. And as I said, I think we need to see attendance levels rise to 10 to 15% of pre-pandemic norms. But I do think that's a doable thing in our future, sometime in 2022 or 2023.
Adam, on the call, you addressed, as you often do, the retail shareholder base in your stock, and actually said, I thought this was interesting, that some of the feedback that you've been getting specifically on social media may be well-intended, but some may be hurled at us with an intent of actually harming me or the company. And it was the first time I really heard you speak out against some of the enthusiasm or mania around your stock. So explain what you're experiencing and how concerned you are.
Well, look, Twitter is an anonymous medium. You should read my inbound Twitter feeds. But look, on balance, the enthusiasm, the passion for AMC amongst our retail shareholders has been stunning to us. It's so much more on the side of being constructive. I don't want you to read too much into that commentary. I'm very fortunate to work for this shareholder base. They love our company. They're rooting for our company, and we appreciate their support.
Even with the stock down 80% from the highs?
Well, it depends where you want to look, right? 15 months ago, we were trading at $1.91 a share. And it is true that if you look at calendar year 2022, our stock has fallen. It's also true that the market has fallen. These are very uncertain times. And there are a lot of other companies, really wonderful companies. Your own, Comcast, which owns NBC Universal, is off 20%. Disney's off 30%. Netflix is off 70%. Amazon just bought MGM Studios, and it's a streamer. It's down a third this year. It is a tough market in 2022. That shouldn't be a surprise to anybody who watches CNBC.
So there you go, guys. Even Adam Aaron is straightforward with the news anchor. He actually said right into her face that even their company is also down, a lot of percentage from its previous high. So it's not only AMC, it's the whole market itself. Netflix, Amazon, right? They're all down, right? So it's not only AMC, but AMC is actually moving forward because of these movies coming up. And I strongly believe, guys, that the AMC will actually give high revenues in their future earnings report, which will actually definitely send the AMC stock again higher. But on the other note, let's try to talk about the new video that came up from Investor Mania. I will show that to you guys next. So guys, this video is from SEC themselves. I'm gonna play it for you real quick.
Welcome back, Brad. It's your investment.
I'll take meme stocks. Invest.
Ouch. Your investment, Julie.
I'm gonna do some research first.
Well played, Julie. Well played.
You can do research? Investing is not a game. Always do your research before making an investment decision. Learn more at investor.gov. Before you invest, investor.gov.
So guys, definitely, the truth hurts sometimes because for some people that doesn't have time, normally they would just go to the internet, check what stocks are available, and they don't research. Even me, I did that in the past, right? I don't do my due diligence when it comes to buying stocks, and I'm also hooked to some stocks, specifically AMC. But that was before, right? This specific video from SEC, guys, is a wake up call, specifically, right? Because I think before you start investing, it's also good to check on the company themselves, especially if they are individual companies, right? So with that being said, guys, but also mocking the retail community with this kind of video, right? I think they could have done it the other way, like how to like you could walk through, you can make a video of walking through the retail investor in how to research the company, right? There could be other ways that you could actually do it rather than mocking them, because it clearly says here, guys, meme stocks, right? So I think these kinds of terms should not be coming from them, right? It should be coming from, other people, because SEC is a government entity that should be guiding us properly, right? Not on actually mocking them with their kinds of investment. But in the end, right, they try to correct themselves. Before you invest, you should do your research first. That's very important. So with that being said, there's a lot of people that actually furious regarding this. They're upset regarding this kinds of this video that was posted. It's not just one video, guys. There's a lot. There's like 4 of them regarding this kind of narrative, and of course, a lot of people is actually furious. They're upset with these kinds of videos. So even I'd like to know in the future who will be over like who will be gone first, whether it's the hedge funds, whether it's Gary Gensler, or the meme stocks themselves, right? So I'm excited to know who will go out of business first. Okay, so let's take a look at that in the future. Nobody can tell the future, guys. Okay, but definitely the stock market is here to stay. The real investor is here to stay, and it's not the retailer's fault whether the stock market itself is a gamification, right? No, I think that shouldn't be the case, right? So let's see what is yet to come. With that being said, guys, the corruption continues in the stock market, right? So as you can see, off exchange volume is 57%, right? Which is so much. There's so much off exchange trading that's happening, and the rest goes to small exchanges. But a lot of trading is actually going on in the off exchange, and they're saying that this is the institutional investors or the big money that is actually, but big money, 57.37% with a volume of 26 million. Okay, but if you go to our Webull chart, guys, the 26 million, right? The volume is 49 million right now as we speak. I think that's a lot of volume in the under of exchange. Our average volume for the past 3 months is 51.63 million, and there's still 10 minutes left during the trading period. Okay, so I strongly believe that there's a lot of corruption going on in the market right now as we speak, guys. As you can see, this is the daily time frame of AMC. So we have a potential double bottom here in the daily time frame. So we are really bound for a retrace to the upside. Okay, so I'm expecting AMC to go green tomorrow. Okay, our first resistance here. Okay, our first resistance, once again, this is a very, very strong resistance, which is $16 for the stock itself. But like I said, if the market goes green tomorrow, I think this shouldn't be a problem. And also, with that being said, GameStop's earning is coming up later this afternoon, and everybody is excited for that. Okay, our RSI is only 46.39. This is in the daily time frame once again, which means that we have a lot of room or a lot of potential to the upside. If you go to your 15 minutes time frame, we have that small green candle, and hopefully at the end of the trading period we will close at $13 per share. Once again, guys, you can clearly see that your VWAP is right above your this 200 EMA. Okay, this is your 200 EMA, guys. We are hoping that your VWAP could reclaim all of these technical indicators, which is your 50 EMA and your 9 EMA. Okay, so it's very important. I mean, it's very important that we reclaim all that. Your MACD is actually curling now to the upside. Okay, and that's just in your 15-minute time frame. But if we go to your daily time frame, guys, okay, your MACD is slowly turning very bullish. Personally speaking, guys, I'm very bullish with AMC, even though it's a meme stock. It has nothing to do with its meme stock status. I am bullish with AMC fundamentally speaking, because there's a lot of good movies coming up in the summer, and also there's a lot of plans of Adam Aaron in the future for AMC. So with that being said, guys, if you like the information and analysis I have provided in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Once again, this is your boy Don Leo Trades. I love you all. Peace out.